So we add all the dry ingredients to the bowl. Just adding the melted butter, followed by 2 eggs and the milk. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can add that straight into the mixture. Right, now I'm going to add 2 ripe bananas to that and mix it with an electric whisk, or you could use a hand whisk. Once all the ingredients are incorporated, you can stop mixing. It shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Just mixing in a handful of milk chocolate chips. So pop that into a pre-lined loaf tin and allow that to rest for about 10 minutes before placing in a preheated oven. After resting, place into a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for about 35 minutes or until golden brown. Once cooled, you can slice it up and then it's ready to enjoy. This recipe makes a lovely moist cake and it's a great snack for the kids to enjoy.